Hi everyone, my name is Idris Ibrahim and this is ExplainIt AI. ExplainIt AI helps students understand homework step by step instead of memorizing answers. Many students struggle with homework because most tools only give final answers. When students don't understand why something works, learning becomes frustrating and ineffective. I was inspired by seeing students repeatedly ask, "How do you get this?" That's when I decided to build an AI that teaches concept, not shortcuts. Explain It AI acts like a personal tutor. Students enter a homework questions and receive clear, structure, step-by-step explanation and reasoning at every stage. Let's look at example. When a student enters solve for x, then he's going to put the equation. Let me say 3x plus 5 equals to 20. So then he's now going to select the grade, which is in middle school or high school. Let me say high school. So the upload image is coming soon. That's in the nearest feature. So once he click on explain this, the AI is now going to generate. That's explained AI shows each step, explain why that step it takes, and confirms the final answer is correct. So the system uses Gemini AI carefully prompted to explain each step logically instead of jumping to the answer, and AI breaks the solution down, explain the reason, and include a quick verification. So as you can see, here it is. Well, as I said, solve for x, which is 3x plus 5 equals to 20. So this first step is said that I should subtract 5 from continuously. Then if you look at the final answer, our final answer, that's x equals to 5. And then we'll have a quick check at the end. So the answer is correct. It's balanced that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. We can see it down here at the last stage, and it breaks everything step by step from the step 1, step 2 up to the final answer, and it gives a check that's to verify it. So ExplainIt AI is a web-based application built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for front-end, PHP for back-end processing, MySQL for data handling, and Gemini AI for intelligent explanation. The key features include homework questions input, step-by-step explanation, clean while reason, and final answer with a quick check, as we see in the example. So ExplainIt AI prompts deeply understanding, independent learning, and confidence in problem solving, especially for students without access to tutors. And then for the feature improvement, include image-based question input, which I have here. And the feature, in the nearest feature, we're going to have upload, where students can upload what is it called, their right handwriting, and then the AI is going to get the question from their handwriting, and then it's going to solve the problem step by step for them. And then more subject and personalized learning progress track is going to be included. So this is ExplainIt AI. Understand, don't memorize. Thank you for watching.